Assalamualaikum ma'am, good evening. Welcome to 101 Pharmacy. I'm Adinda as a pharmacy who is on duty tonight. May I help you?
Good evening, ma'am. So I want to buy medicine based on my prescription. So this is my prescription, ma'am.
Okay ma'am, let me check your prescription first. First thing first, what has doctor has explained to you about the medication?
Yes, the doctor already told me that this medicine is intended to cure my asthma.
Okay ma'am, I will explain it later. So, what is the doctor hope about this medication and treatment?
I hope my asthma will not happen again, and I hope I can breathe freely.
So, okay ma'am, this medication called Meterdose Inheler, how to use the Meterdose Inhaler is open and put out the mouthpiece, mix before use it, up and down, exhale through mouth, take inhaler with mouthpiece at down, sit up straight and breathe normally, press the top canister together, inhale deeply through the mouth. Keep breathe around 10 seconds and throw breathe slowly. And the last one is gargle with water and throw it. And don't forget to wash your mouth after using this medication. Are you understand, ma'am, what I have explained to you?
Yes, I understand because I have used it for several times, ma'am.
If this is the first time you use it, you can wait 10 seconds so you can try it again like before. If asthma come again to you, you can use this again.
Okay, but what about if I consume another drug after I take this medicine?
After you doing this, you can gargle first and you can consume another drug.
Okay, thank you, Mbak.
Yes, ma'am. Alright. So, may I help you again?
No, just yet, thank you. So how much is this medicine, Mbak?
You're welcome, ma'am. It's 150,000 rupiah.
Okay, thank you, Mbak.
You're welcome. Keep healthy, ma'am. So, may I know your number?
So my number is 0813267. Okay, and thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So, I will monitor you later. Thank you, ma'am.